Hi, and a huge welcome to our smart reseller community, and welcome to another That's a Smart Idea, the weekly 1-minute video that we all know never lasts a minute. It always goes over, as Dave has pointed out on my post on LinkedIn a couple of times, where we here at Smart help you, our smart reseller community, sell more smart business products to your customers and add value to your smart business proposition. So, as I said, I've been joined again by Dave Powell from MAS Optimization.
Hi, Colin.
This is your third time on That's a Smart Idea, isn't it?
It is. I should be getting a mug or a gold clock at this point, I believe.
We might actually do something in the future on that, so look out for some That's a Smart Idea merch. We'll probably do something about that. So, Dave, for those of you who may not have seen you before on That's a Smart Idea, tell us a little bit about who you are and what your company does.
Yeah, so I'm Dave Powell. I've got a company called MAS OPEX Digital. We're a supplier of a digital transformation solution for manufacturing industry, well, all industry sectors really, but it's ideally situated for this event at manufacturing factories.
Okay, so where are we today? That's a good point. We're out at an event today, aren't we? Where are you?
Yeah, we're at one of the biggest events in the UK, or the biggest event in the UK for manufacturing industry 4.0 digitalization, and that's at the NEC in Birmingham.
Okay. So the reason why I've asked Dave on today is not specifically to talk about his product, because if you look at other videos that we've done in the past on That's a Smart Idea, you will see that we've talked quite extensively about Dave's excellent product, which works really well with Smart. But it's actually to talk to you as resellers to say that we support events. So if you have a specific event that you're looking for us to get involved in, we can provide things like panels, we can provide staff like myself to do demonstrations, we can even provide some of the backdrops that you see here today. Now, it's really important that if I mention to you that when you're working with us around doing this, it's good that you engage with us. So, Dave, you've done. Is this our second event that we've done?
This is our second. Our first event was at Liverpool last year, and this is our second. This is the biggest event we've been to together now. There's going to be probably about 30,000 people attend this event.
Wow.
Yeah, and the majority of the people we've already engaged with are huge, large multinational OEMs.
Yeah, we had a really good day yesterday, didn't we?
Yes,
we had so many people come on the stand, and that was really good. So, Dave, how easy was it to work with Smart around booking an event or getting involved in an event like this?
So, working with Ian.
Yeah, Ian, right, yeah, and our Monson team, yeah.
Really good, the engagement from the beginning and the support from the beginning about setting up, the whole event and the whole, platform was fantastic. The support team that helped set up the
logistics, the guys coming in with the sweaters,
very disciplined, really time bound, really good. I'm really pleasant people to work with.
Brilliant. So, Dave, do you think you do it again? Would you work with Smart again on this?
Oh, most definitely, definitely. I'm looking forward to working at more events going forward. It's a great community to work with, the Smart people.
Thank you. Thanks, Dave. And that for all our resellers out there, this is really important. If you're looking at events, please engage with either myself or Charlie on the business side, or one of our other account managers on the education side. We are looking to support events. So what we'll do is we'll speak to you, find out what the business case is, what the opportunities are, and then we'll make a decision how we can help you out and how we can support you. But as you can see with what we've done here today with Dave, we've got the new MX Pro down here. We've got a QX, which is only just coming into the country, so we've got some really leading edge, cutting edge technology. And as we said, it was really well received. We've got lots of great leads off the back of this. So big shout out to all our resellers. Thank you for all your support as usual. Charlie and I really appreciate all the engagement we're getting right now in terms of asking to be doing demos either on remote or at our sites in London. That's getting really, really popular now. So if you want to book something on that, reach out to me or Charlie. Thanks for engaging us with getting involved in your familiarization training so we can make the product really sticky for you. But until the next time, I'd like to say a big thank you to Dave.
1 point, Colin.
Go ahead, Dave.
On behalf of MAS OPEX, I think working alongside Smart was a smart idea.
Right, that's great. I might sign off with that, actually. So until the next time, as Dave said, that's been a smart idea, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Thanks, Colin.